Birthday greetings ni Enrique Hill kay Liza Soberano, pagkumpirma nga ba na hindi pa hiwalay ang dalawa? Usap-usapan ngayon ang pagbati ni kapamilya actor Enrique Hill sa kaarawan ni Liza Soberano. Matatandaan na ngayong araw, January 6, 2024, ang birthday ni Liza Soberano. Kaya naman, nag-abang ang Lisken fans sa birthday message na gagawin ni Enrique. Hindi naman sila binigo ng aktor at agad na nag-share ng larawan nila ni Liza Soberano at merong caption na, "Happy birthday our dear Hoopy. I'll always have your back no matter what. Wish I was there to celebrate your special day." Bago nga ang pagbati na ito ni Enrique kay Liza ay nag-post si Liza ng ilang litrato kung paano niya pinagdiwang ang kanyang kaarawan. Caption pa ng actress, "They say you can't have your cake and eat it too. But life is short, so watch me try. Here's to 26. Been holding on to these amazing concept photos I shot with the incredible Shaira Luna a year ago. We were even joking about using them for my 26th birthday post. Jokes on you, team. I can finally put this to good use. Haha, thank you everyone for the loving messages. Grateful for everyone who makes me feel special by showing their love and support today and every day." Samantala, dahil sa pagbati na ito ni Enrique kay Liza ay nabuhayan ang Lisken fans. Anila ay ito ang pinakamagandang sagot ng dalawa sa patuloy na pagkalat ng balitang hiwalay na sila. Hiling naman ng Lisken fans na sana ay muling magkaroon na ng oras para magsama sina Enrique Hill at Liza Soberano.